you ever imagined that with just a simple photo, you could create a character that talks and has a dialogue with you, or even sings? Today on AI Border, I'm going to show you one of the coolest tools out there, Dzine. With just a few simple clicks and absolutely no prior experience, you can bring your photos to life and turn them into a real video. Just imagine your profile picture coming to life right in front of your eyes and starting to talk. Are you ready? Let's see together how amazing results can be. I've already made a video about this tool before, which you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. But this time, Dzine is back with a super powerful new feature that's really here to revolutionize the world of AI characters and AI avatars. From the link in the description, you can go directly to the website. You can sign in either with an email and password or simply with your Google account. Here's the main dashboard of the site. From the left-hand menu, choose Lip Sync and click on Pick a Face Image. In this section, you need to upload your photo. The tool will automatically detect the faces, but make sure to check if anything is off. Adjust the rectangles to perfectly fit the faces. Click Next to enter the editing chart. Now click on Pick a Voice. At the top, enter your text, and from the lower section, choose one of the available voices. For the second character, you'll need to repeat the same steps, enter the text, then pick a narrator's voice. Finally, click Generate. Make sure to arrange your voices on the chart so they don't overlap, because otherwise the voices will clash and it won't sound good. At the end, click Confirm. On this page, press Generate to send your video for rendering. It only takes a few minutes and then our video is ready. Let's go and watch the result.
Did you seriously try to fix the oven with super glue?
It worked on my shoe. This is basically the same.
Let's repeat the process again, but this time using voices that I upload myself. I go back to the same section and upload my image again. I adjust the rectangles on the faces and click Next. We're back in the chart. This time, when I click Pick a Voice, I go to the Upload Audio section. I select a file from my computer and upload my voice. I repeat the same steps for my second character. Of course, if you don't have your own audio, you can always use the narrator provided by the tool. Let's watch the result.
I promise to love you through mess and through stress.
As long as you never touch my fries, I'll say yes.
So, we just saw how you can bring a simple photo to life and turn it into a living character, something we used to think was only possible in Hollywood movies or big animation studios. But today, with Dzine, we managed to do it effortlessly. We created characters that not only talk, but can have full dialogues, sing, or even come alive from old photos and cartoons. Just imagine you could take a picture of your friend, a handmade drawing, or even your pet, and literally breathe life into it. This shows us that the limits of creativity are really gone. Now anyone can build their own stories with AI characters, whether for work projects or just personal fun. In my opinion, the future of AI avatars is a world where our simple images turn into real characters that can act, talk, and even interact with us. But now it's your turn. Try it out and tell me in the comments which was the first character you created. And if your result turns out awesome, share it with me. I'd really love to see your creativity. And as always, don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, subscribe to AI Border so you won't miss the next ones, and share this video with your friends so they can also be amazed by the power of AI. I promise in the upcoming videos, we're going to explore even more incredible and practical tools that might even change your daily life. So until the next video, stay creative, enjoy AI, and let technology bring your world to life.